Hello dear students, welcome to my class. Today I have come with a new lesson of your geography part of social science. It is the atmosphere, structure, air pressure and wind system. So in the chapter you will able to know about introducing atmosphere, structure of the atmosphere, spread of extent of atmosphere, atmospheric pressure and its measurement, pressure belts of the earth, definition of wind, factors of origin and movement of wind, and at last classification and characteristics of the wind. At first you have to know what is atmosphere. So you all know about air. Air is everywhere. We are unable to see air, only we can feel. So air is a very essential element for our living. So what is atmosphere then? The uninterrupted gaseous envelope. The uninterrupted gaseous envelope. Gaseous, that means air includes so many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane, ethane, etc. So it is a gaseous uninterrupted envelope. Envelope means you can say small bag. Small bag. Okay. So it is an envelope. Gaseous uninterrupted envelope. Surrounds our earth. Surrounds our earth and it is extended up to some distance of the earth's surface. Okay, it is the atmosphere. It is the atmosphere. And again, here is written that it is the ocean of air surrounding the earth. So atmosphere is an uninterrupted gaseous envelope and it is the ocean of air surrounding the earth. Okay, so it is the atmosphere. Next, the atmosphere extends vertically up to an altitude of around 10,000 km from Earth's surface. So it is extended up to 10,000 km from Earth's surface. Okay. So as we have already found that atmosphere includes so many gases and water vapor and some dust particles. And among the gases, let's see the volume of the gases. So nitrogen is the highest volume gas in the atmosphere. So it is 78.08%. Oxygen 20.94%. Argon 0.93%. Carbon dioxide 0.036%. And some other gases are there like helium, methane, ethane, etc. These are 0.014%. Okay. And nitrogen is an inactive gas. Nitrogen is an inactive gas. Okay. But the oxygen is very active gas. In the atmosphere, nitrogen is inactive, oxygen is active. And argon is also an inactive gas. What? Argon is inactive gas. And what about carbon dioxide? Yes, carbon dioxide is in less amount. But it is very important to control the atmosphere, control the heat of the atmosphere. If the amount of CO2 or carbon dioxide is increased, it results in global warming. It results in the increase of temperature of the earth. Okay, and the ozone gas. ozone gas is in a very negligible amount in the atmosphere, but the gas ozone is very important gas, because the ozone gas protects us from the ultraviolet ray from the sun. Okay, so it is an important gas, ozone gas. Okay, it is about the structure of atmosphere. So atmosphere includes so many gases and every gas have its own importance. So now, extent of the atmosphere, that means we have to know how the atmosphere is extended from the earth's surface. So there are some divisions of the atmosphere. These are given by some famous climatologists. So the important divisions are homosphere and heterosphere. So the homosphere is again divided into three categories or three layers. It is troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere. And the heterosphere is divided into some layers which are filled with some gases, nitrogen, helium, argon, etc. Okay, so now we will draw a diagram through which the extension of the atmosphere will be cleared. Okay, it is our earth. And it is troposphere. It is extended up to 10 km from the earth's surface. Above it, tropopause. It is extended up to 16 km from the earth's surface, and there is a big layer, it is stratosphere. Okay. It is extended up to 42 kilometers. And again, small layer, stratopause. Kilometer. Again a big layer, mesosphere. Is extended up to 80 km. And again mesopause, 92 km. And above it a nitrogen layer. It is 200 km above the earth's surface, and oxygen layer. It is 400 km upward. Above it, helium layer. So the helium layer is 3540 km upward, and on the top is hydrogen layer. 10,000 km upward from the earth's surface. So it is about the extension of the atmosphere from the earth's surface. Okay. So now we will discuss about the atmospheric layers. At first, troposphere. So troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. As we have found in the diagram that it was above the earth Earth's surface or Earth, and its average height is 12 kilometer, and the troposphere alone contains about 3/4 of total atmospheric gases and almost entire water vapor and dust particles. Next is stratosphere. It is just above the troposphere, as we have found in the diagram. And in the diagram, and we have already found what? Tropopause. Tropopause. Yes. What is this actually? It is the boundary between the troposphere and stratosphere. It is called as tropopause. Tropopause. Okay. And in this layer, no weather phenomena, even cloud is visible. Okay. So in this layer, no weather phenomena. There is nothing. There is not even cloud in this layer. Not even cloud, not even sunshine. So there is no any weather phenomena. And the ozone gas is present in the layer. So ozone gas, which protects us from the ultraviolet ray, is present in the layer which is stratosphere. Okay, so it is about stratosphere. Next is mesosphere. Mesosphere is the layer which is just above the boundary of stratosphere, which is called as stratopause. The boundary between stratosphere and mesosphere is called as stratopause. Okay, and the mesosphere is extended up to 30 km from the boundary. That means stratopause. It is extended up to 30 km from the boundary. Okay, it is about mesosphere. Next is thermosphere. It is located just above the uppermost boundary of mesosphere, which is called as mesopause. The boundary of mesosphere is mesopause, and thermosphere is extended from mesopause at 80 km height, and it is extended up to 400 km. And the air temperature is increased in this layer, and therefore it is called as thermosphere. Thermosphere. And most important, it includes electrically charged ion particles. So it is also called as ionosphere. Ionosphere. Okay, it is about thermosphere. And the last is exosphere. Exosphere is the topmost layer of the atmosphere, and it located immediately above the thermosphere, and it extends from a height of 400 km up to a height of 10,000 km. And the layer is dominated by helium and hydrogen. So the air is very thin or light, and the air temperature of the layer rises to about 5550 degrees Celsius. So it is about exosphere. So dear students, in this class we have discussed about the points, introduction of atmosphere, structure of the atmosphere and extent of the atmosphere. I hope you all have understood what I have taught. So in the next class we will discuss more about the atmosphere. Okay, thank you.